Okay, so let's add and subtract fractions. So we have two different kinds of adding and subtracting functions. So we have subtracting functions with same denominator. So when we say a denominator, let's say 1/2, the denominator is the bottom part and the top part is the numerator. So when we say the same denominator, let's say I have 1/2 plus a half. Since we have the same denominators, we can copy the denominator on our actual answer, and we're gonna just simply gonna add the numerator or the top part. So we have 2/2, and that is equal to 1. Okay. Now, how about this? Let's add 4/9 plus 5/9. What do you think will be the answer? Since both of them has the same denominator, we can simply just copy the denominator and add the fractions, the numerator. That's simply 9/9, or we can simplify it by 1. Okay, here I have a couple of examples, so you can try it if you want to. So here we have 3/11 and 6/11. Since both of them have the same denominator, we can just simply copy 11 here. And now we have 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is -3, and copy the denominator, which is 11. So this will be your final answer. Now how about this? We have multiple fractions. So we can add, since all of them has the same denominator 15, we can just simply add or subtract the following. Copy 15. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 15. Since we can simplify this since both of them are factors of 3, let's have some space here. 3 times 1 and 3 times 5. As you can see, 3's cancel, giving us 1/5. So 1/5 will be our final answer. Okay, how about now? What if we don't have the same denominator like the other examples? This will be easy and not that kind of hard. As you can see, we're just gonna find their LCDs, or we can just simply multiply them and put them on the denominator, but when it has the number, it will be really hard to simplify. Yeah. First, I have this technique, which is we're gonna make both of them the same denominator. So we're gonna find the factors, the least common the least common denominator. That here, like for example, we have 1/2 and 1/4. Their least common denominator will be 4, since 2, 4. So as you can see, they are the same. Like here. So we're gonna put the LDs of multiples of 4, like 8, 12, and let's add 6, 9, 12, until you will have the same factors, which is this in this case. So their LCD will be 12. So we're gonna change the denominator here into 12. So what should we multiply to 4 to make it 12? So we need to multiply 4 by 3. So let's multiply when we multiply the denominator, we also need to multiply the numerator. Now for this side, what should we multiply to 3 for it to become 12? Simply, we need to multiply 4. And we'll multiply 4 as I said earlier. Now, have this 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. And see, we have the same denominators, we can just simply copy it. 9 plus 8 is 17. We can't really simplify 17 over 12, so this will be our final answer. So try it if you want to. As you can see, we can make 3 we can make 3 a 6 by multiplying by 2. So we need to also multiply it on the top part. So we have -1 over 6 plus 4 over 6. As you see, we have the same denominators now, giving us -1 plus 4. -1 plus 4 is 3 over 6, and we can simplify it by 3 over 1. 3 times 1 times 3 times 2, because both of them are multiples, the factors of 3. We can simply cancel that, giving us 1/2. So this will be the answer for this problem. Okay. Now how about this? This will be really hard because we have 3 and we need to find same denominators. So we can make all the denominators into 8, since all of them, when we gonna times like 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will eventually come to an 8, if you know basic maths. So we have 2. What should we multiply to 2 so that it gives us 8? We should multiply it by 4. What we multiply on the bottom, we will multiply also on the top. What should we multiply to 4 for it to become 8? We need to multiply it by 2. We also need to multiply 2 on the top part. So 3 over 8 plus 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 3 times 2 is 6 over 4 times 2 is 8. As you can see, both of them has the same denominators now, which is 8. So we have 3 plus 4 minus 6. 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 6 is 1. So this gives us 1/8. So 1/8 will be our final answer. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like if you understood something. So thanks for watching.